Why do we have? Can we have cat? We don't have cat and cat.
It's time to go upstairs. It's like 12 o'clock. You guys done overslept. Turn off the tree. Pick up your bubby. Pick up your blanket. Pick up your pillow. He said, "Oh, sorry." Turn off the tree. And let's go up. I'm starting the vlog off tonight. So I can have some footage for Wednesday. So this is why it's so random. JJ, this little guy went down. What time did you go down? You guys hear his voice changing? His voice is getting deeper. Someone's about to be 13. Jason, come on, we gotta go. Make sure you get into your PJs. Someone wake up Jackson. Step on that tree and put my faux box back. Cause every time you guys move it, I'm gonna give you guys detail on the tree, including my faux box. Destiny goes further. It goes more to the no, Destiny, you have to push it over, sweetie. She's asleep. Never mind, just turn it off. Find the button and step on it. Jason, can you find that button for me and step on it? Jackson, come on, buddy. Did everybody pick up their blanket? You found the button? Okay. Yes. Put my faux box. Why are you guys disrespecting my faux box? Okay, go to bed. Go to bed. It's fine. Good night. I usually don't vlog at night, but it's almost 12 o'clock. Just closing up the blinds for back here. We don't have neighbors in the back, so I don't even have to worry about closing our blinds. I gotta turn off my light over here. Don't worry, I have a Christmas house tour coming. Hold on. Yeah, so I have a Christmas house tour coming soon. As soon as vlogging starts. Okay, that's turned off. All the doors are locked, honey? The alarm is on? No? Oh, I need water. She's heavy. But yeah. Nobody ever wants to go to bed. Ooh, I'm getting better. I'm not so out of breath. First drop off of the day. Say good morning. So I'm going to drop off
me.
These two right now. I'm not going far. And it's still dark outside.
You hurt me, you did, several times. It hurts to admit that we're no different. I find it hard to commit, but you don't even try. Still I'm better with than without you. Oh, I'm on it, I want it, but why do you seem to call it your eyes? I can't tell if you're here or you're out there. Do you wanna be out there? You don't need to be Prince Charming to me.
This is just water, guys. Water. I just water up her hair. Put a lot of water.
Still, every time, whatever it is, I keep on trying. 'Cause it ain't hard to forgive when you know what it's like. That's why I'm better with than without you. Oh, I'm on it, I want it, but why do you seem to call it your eyes? I can't tell if you're here or you're out there. Do you wanna be out there? You don't need to be Prince Charming to me. I just need this to be real. I don't need no fairy tale. You don't need a killer pregnant for me. Ooh, I don't need no fairy tale. You don't need to be Prince Charming to me. I just need this to be real. I don't need no fairy tale. You don't need a killer pregnant for me. Ooh, I don't need no fairy tale. I don't need no.
Where you going today, girl? Pick up the comb. Pick up the comb. Off the floor. Right there.
Maddie
All right, let's brush up your fuzzies.
fuzzies.
Cause we,
Isn't that what you
I make you look like you have a fuzzy.
Destiny has fuzzies.
Beautiful.
Destiny has fuzzies.
Good morning. Second drop off for the day. So all the drop off for, oh my gosh, look at my face. Breaking out like crazy. All drop offs are done. So you know what that is. You know what that means. I mean, shut up. I'm bipolar. This is the dance I do for coffee. Let me show y'all. This is the dance I do for coffee. Anyways, let me stop. Do I want to be wifey today? That means I have to do a lot of stuff goes with being a wifey. If I want to choose this mug, I mean, I have to clean the entire house. I have to get dinner. Speaking of dinner, I have to take out dinner. Shout out to that one neighbor that thinks we're poor. But this heifer had the nerve to see me in Walmart once with egg and a few items, and she was like, she felt sorry for me because I only have a few items in my cart. Weirdo. But anyways, back to what I was saying. So, do I want to be a wifey today? There's a lot that goes with being a wifey. So, I have a lot. Madison has an appointment at 12:30. So, I don't have time to be a wifey today. Ooh, I could use the mug. I could use this mug that goes with my shirt. Look, too blessed to be stressed. Should I be all matchy-matchy? I am blessed. I feel blessed. Yep, that's the mug. Thank you guys for helping me selecting. Yeah, thank you guys for helping me select my mug today. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. It's coffee time. It's so cloudy outside. So cloudy. But I'm not going to let that ruin my day. And you can't let it ruin your day either. So, did I show you guys the finish mud area? I think I did. Anyways. You guys saw the tree. I will give you a full, tour of the tree. Once Vlogmas starts and how I decorated it. Like my puff balls today. They kind of shrank a little bit. I went outside and they just sucked back up to my head. I'm like, so, my goal, I'm going to tell you guys my goal. Hold on. So, I'm so excited. I don't know why I have all this energy. So, Friday is my anniversary. We will be celebrating 13 years together. As a married couple, we've been together for 14 years. Ugh. I am trying to get down to, because right now I am sitting at 205 pounds, and my goal is to get down to 199 for my anniversary. So, I don't know if I can do it. I want to push myself. I haven't worked out since this week started, but that's the goal. So I'm gonna finish my coffee and then come back to you guys, because I want to give you guys more in this vlog than I did the last vlog, if that makes any sense. But like my puffs, last year I was bald headed. This year I got puffs. Don't mind my edges. They went. I don't know where they went. They were like, bye girl, we can't stand you. So they just rolled out, and I can't convince them to come back. I mean, there's a couple struggling. They're like struggling, you brush them up and they were just like, ugh. They're like, we can't, so don't mind my edges, but everything else is coming. I gotta do a rice water treatment on it on Friday. I got deep condition. Friday is wash day for my hair. And I moisturize every other day. I don't know if I told you guys that, but yeah. What's on your face? What were you eating?
Big bye.
Who?
Big bye.
Oh, get your water bottle and your stuff. Go put that in the trash. Trying to finish. Hey, don't touch. It's hot. Are you okay?
Yeah.
Did it burn you?
Yeah.
Yeah. You made a mess of yourself. Now we have to change your shirt before your appointment. Were you eating peanut butter?
Yeah.
Yeah? Was it good? Yeah. You gave Ginger peanut butter? You better not. He can't have peanut butter. Guys, I don't know. The day got away from me. Last thing I know, I was at Madison's IEP meeting and came home. Hubby cooked dinner today. My puffs are still intact. But hubby cooked and I was able to decorate the dining room. I'm so excited. I'm going to give you guys a sneak peek of that, and then I'm going to pick up tomorrow morning. and then give you guys this for Wednesday. So I'm gonna give you guys a sneak peek, and then see y'all tomorrow. So
and kept him there until police arrived. The was arrested and charged with former President Jimmy Carter underwent
there you go.
surgery this morning to relieve
Just a sneak peek.